Hi everyone, I'm your friend. Today we'll learn some easy and fun questions and answers. What is your name? My name is Daniel. How are you? I am fine, thank you. What is your father's name? My father's name is John. Where do you live? I live in New York City. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. What is your favorite food? I like pizza. What is your favorite animal? I like cats. Do you go to school? Yes, I do. What is the name of your school? My school name is Happy School. What grade are you in? I am in grade 1. Do you like your teacher? Yes, I like my teacher. What is your favorite subject? My favorite subject is English. Can you speak English? Yes, a little. What is the day today? Today is Monday.